What is up, Heidies, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a quick holiday natural hair style look for you guys. I hope you enjoy. Stay tuned. This is a collaboration with me and These Curls and also Nelia Bedilia. I'm going to be leaving a link to their channels in the description below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy their videos also. So you're definitely going to need some bobby pins and a rat tail comb to achieve this style. This style is very easy, very quick. So you're just going to part your hair from ear to ear. You're going to separate it. Do one big twist. Not too tight. Touch your hair from the back. Take the top portion. So now that you have all these jumbo twists in your hair, whoa, looking crazy. But so you have 4 in the back and 4 in the front, right? So you're going to take these two, and kind of like twist them together and pin them back here, right back here. Then you're going to take these two and gently twist them together, not too much, and then pin, right? Okay, I'm gonna pin them with this one. So, and then you're going to take this one and you're going to bring it down a little bit, like right here over this one, like right here over this one. Same thing. See, like right here over this one, right there. Then you're going to take these and cover up. Take these and cover up. And then right at the bottom where they separate, kind of connect them together. That's it. So you're just going to fix it to make sure it's to your liking. Fluff some out a little bit if you need to. There you have it, this simple, cute holiday hairstyle. And you could go ahead and add like little, gold stuff. I don't have any, unfortunately. Oh wait, add whatever hair accessories you find. This is actually a necklace. I don't have a lot of hair accessories. I need to get some. But if you had like a cute little gold one, you could put it around here. Or you see how cute this already made it look good. So you could go ahead and add whatever accessories you need. But this is like a really cute and simple natural hair style for the holidays. toes to make it look extra cute. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.